Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to reset settings on iPhone, and it will also be possible to do it on other Apple devices. How to do it? Very simple. To do this, go into the iPhone settings and open the item, General. Then go below and find the item, Transfer or Reset iPhone. And here you need to select this button. It's at the bottom. Click it. After that, click Continue. Then we enter the password for our iPhone. As soon as we enter the password, the settings will be reset, and the iPhone will be rebooted. Before these actions, I advise you to charge your device. Be careful. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. The method is relevant in 2024. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.